Ride the Goldrusher. See Carolina's nothing faster on rails. Greeting everyone, T5 the Traveler with Becky the Trekkie hiding over here behind me. And we're gonna go on the Goldrusher. Point of view, we'll bring you on board for the coaster. I've never been on this one, so we'll check it out. We got our sun hats on. It's a balmy 103 degrees out here. Still smiling though. Try to hydrate. We slammed some Gatorades in the car right before this. Had like a sub sandwich on ice. Sometimes we'll buy something in the park, sometimes we eat out of the cooler. It just depends on how hot it is. You know, ride a lot of roller coaster rides in the heat. If you eat something you're not used to eating, it can kind of upset the tummy or something like that. We're trying to keep it together, so just something real light. Lots of fluids today. Make sure you wear your good shoes. You can wear your regular glasses on the rides if you have a strap. I think they'll let you wear sunglasses on the ride as long as you got a nice tight strap and you don't lose them. If you lose them, you lose them, that's it. Other than that, great park. So let's turn around. We got to see this train engine. Oh my goodness, this is vintage. I bet this was real. It looks authentic as all could be. You know, this would be an old coal filer case boiler there. You'll see the eagle on the front. Wow, that's really cool. And this might be something that you might see if you do like a corn event and they're boiling corn. Hoopston Corn Festival, that'll be coming up in the fall. It's in Illinois. If you haven't been there, they got a few rides and stuff like that. Check it out. But they'll have an engine just like that. Toot toot, and then they do the sweet corn all there. I'm not big on corn myself, but anyway, we're up to the ride, so we'll see when we get on. Go. Let's go for it. Back row.
Once you've got a seat, please buckle up your seatbelt. In order to be on to the job, remove all hats, bags, and place all those articles inside of the bins.
Where do you put our phone? Other side. The other one. Right there.
Yeah. Back row. Lap belt. Keep your knees down in this. Oh my lord, how low is this? I'm only 5'9", and I gotta say, my knees are the clearance on this. So if you're super tall, I don't know. You'll have to scooch all the way one side or the other, kind of towards the middle or this other left side, and then just try to tilt the knees as down and in as much as possible like this. Heck, I like to ride the tiger here. Oh, ends up back in. There we go. So I've got my feet under me, and what I've just done now is tucked my heels all the way to the back of the train. You know, so my toes are here. If I lean forward, I can take the weight totally off of the seat. And then when it gets real vibration, it doesn't impact the head as bad. So take some weight off of you. And just kind of like, well, yeah, if you're sitting dead and the train's really shaking, it can give you that headache, you know, 'cause it's like concussive, like you know, a boxer, like repetitive hits can like knock someone out. Thumbs up, everybody. Okay, we're on the ride. Let's see the theming on this thing. I mean, so far, I've been impressed. Oh. So what would you compare this to? Adventure Express? Is that what we're gonna have to compare this against? So if you're out there watching this one and you like these types of videos, check out one with Adventure Express. We actually had what we call like a video game person in real life on the train with us. He was sitting just in front of us there, so if you go back, kind of watch out for his outfit and him, and he's actually out there, you know, in YouTube land himself. But see if you can recognize this, see who that is. Let us know in the comments. So over there on the left is Fury 325. Oh, we're going. No. Yeah. So what's up with the stand-up over here, Becky? Oh! Hands up, everybody. I'm going hands up on this. Woo! Okay, so I've got one knee against this front pad, and it's pretty comfy. I think I maybe heard this has free. All right, and this is where I'm not like in the seat. There you go. You know that hit? It's not nearly as bad. I pull forward on the ride and then kind of put some weight on your toes, and it's a survival strategy. They did put some padding on this middle bar, and they've got a side pad here to the left, so nice. Oh, there she is. We just rode that, and the heat was so hot we couldn't record it. It literally was so hot. Oh! Yes! Woo! Oh! Nice! Woo! Yeah! Little Han Solo there. Oh, and push forward, everybody, and we're done. All right. You know, I like Adventure Express slightly better, but I gotta say, my expectations were low to start, but I had a great ride. Okay, we'll get off the train and we'll tell you what we think, Stickers. See you in just a minute. It's nice. Nice, Becky. Hands up, Becky. Hands up on the train.
Once again, do not sit on the rails. Do not sit on the rails.
Okay. Undo the belt. Up and out.
Please secure all these articles inside the means. They are not allowed to ride with you. Everything was
Grab the whole hat.
Stand clear for the gates. Gates are closing.
I had to rebuild it because you threw it in with everybody else's stuff. So I put your backpack or fanny pack in there. All right, there goes the Goldrusher. Were we on the gold train?
Yeah, the gold side.
Oh, all right. I think if there was a red and a gold, I was like 98% sure we were on the gold train. But anyway, what'd you think of the ride?
Yeah, I really liked it. Towards the end, some of those turns, really fast, whipping around. But yeah, overall fun ride.
All right, I gotta say A+ on the theming, A+ on the speed and the pacing. The underground tunnel is really great. Kind of gets you out of the sun for a little bit. You can wear your hats and glasses. They gotta have the straps like tucked tight. If you lose it, you lose it. But they don't really hassle you about stuff like that. Everything else can go in the bin if you want to do that, or they do have lockers available over there. You can get those signature photos right there. If you're interested in that, you can do a little photo package. I got a card in my back pocket, so when you come in, they'll try to take your picture. Make sure you just let them take your picture for that. They'll give you a little card. I think it's in my back pocket. Anyway, just show it to them, you know, as you walk by, and they just wave you on by. They don't like try to stop you and take a photo every time. Now, if you want a photo, just ask them. They'll get you whatever you want. You can certainly do that as well. Restrooms right here, over here to the left. Thank you for joining us. If you stuck with us this long, watch our videos, and you haven't subscribed, please do so. And we'll see all our loyal subscribers and fellow travelers soon on the next one. Bye, everybody.